What's the deal, YouTube? We back with another video, man. I know it's been a minute. I got a lot of new stuff to talk about for the channel. First off, I would like to say thank you for over 3,000 views on my last video. To me personally, that wasn't even my best work. And everybody like, oh, the video's so great. I love it. That's your best one yet. And really, I'm just like, really? Like, you think so? And everybody like, yeah, bro, you gotta keep going, I'm like, for sure. So, the reason I haven't been dropping videos is, first off, I work a lot. I work like 54 hours this week. I work for Mopar. You know, gotta get that bag to, you know, build the car. You gotta get that bag to build the car, man. So, right now, today, it is about 10 o'clock in the morning. I just got off a 6 to 6 shift. I've been up since I got off, so I've been up. I've just been up, no sleep. Right now I'm sitting in the spray wash. About to spray her down, man. It's been Michigan winter. That's another thing why I haven't posted. Wintertime, Michigan winter. This winter wasn't bad though. This was a decent winter. Can't complain. It got real heavy at the end, but March is in the next couple of days. So, I mean, it was straight. So, whew, I'm cleaning the outside, the inside. It's a little rainy outside, so can't take the T-tops off. I want to, but the chance of rain is still like super high right now. But yeah, it's a meet today. It's the 28th of February. It's a meet today at 11 o'clock. I'm riding out with UCM, of course. And we riding out at like 12. Fashionably late, you know what I'm saying? We might have a little special guest. I might have a passenger today. I don't know yet. Just, man, I just love the support. Keep liking. Shoot, if you dislike the video, dislike it. I don't care. Just like, subscribe, share. Like I said, dislike it. If you don't like it, let me know. Leave feedback in the comments. I do read all the comments. I try to reply to as most people as possible. And I'm sorry, I just keep looking out here because the way I'm facing right now, I'm just looking at traffic and I see like a couple performance cars going up Gratiot, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it just be catching my attention. But yeah, man, I'm about to wash her and woo, still kind of cold. I'm about to give her a wash and yeah, hopefully she come clean because this car hasn't been washed and it's been sitting outside with no cover all winter. And yeah, she's filthy. Like, I gotta show you. You gotta see. 5% tint. We looking. Ooh, I'm gonna get back in the gym though. For y'all that don't know, I did play college football. Super dirty. So, you know. Whew. I gotta put my jacket back on. It's still chilly. I can't do it. Yes, sir. She clean. I'm freaking soaked, but it's whatever. Yes, sir. Like I said, this car was sitting out. Tree sap. I'm gonna get the disc pulled out probably in April. Wider wheels. I'm running 18 by 9.5 or an 18 by 10. Wrapped in a 275 by 40 or 55 Toyo R888R. Oh shit. Fuck that come from? Get that fixed. Painted black with metal flake. WS6 hood with a red bird on it. Wait till y'all see the new brake system, man. You got a big brake system. New rotors, big as hell. I'm doing full LED conversion in the front. Man, I got so much stuff planned for this car, especially power-wise. What you guys think, man? I've been debating this for a while. Twin turbo, 3800, with stage 4 heads, diamond forged pistons and connecting rods built by the men. Custom fab. That's gonna be a lot of custom fab work on the turbo kit, though, a lot. But twin turbos. It's unique. A lot of people don't really build the V6s, especially to V8 power, which they can. Or what I was gonna do was take the 6.0 and 4L80E out the Sierra, put it in here, trip flow heads and cam, tune it right there for 550 horsepower, and just build the Tembo. The Tembo isn't it's not a bad rear end. It just gives out after 400 horsepower. You gotta think, the car was made in 02. And it came with only, the V8s came with the WS6 had what, 325 horsepower? That was like the top dog. That's like basically the demon of today. Like that was the top dog, the WS6. So the Tembo is not bad. It's a very light rear end, especially if you're gonna do autocross, which I want to do autocross. And of course, we're gonna street race, but come on, you know, we right by the police station. We gonna street race, but you know what I'm saying? Fuck 12 though. Let me stop playing. But all right, man, I'm about to dryer. And next time I'll talk to you guys will be when we meet up with UCM in about 24 minutes. Bro, you tripping. Say what up to the YouTube channel, man. What? I said say what up to the YouTube channel, dog. All right, man, we got a couple of cars out here, man. We got the SRT. We got the Turbo Honda. We got the L67. You feel me? My boy Cam pulled up. You feel me? Yes, sir. You got the, it's always somebody in the big ass truck, I swear. And every car meet, it's always truck people, always. Got the big ass truck. We got a V1. We got a Supra. We got Volkswagens. We got an M5. You feel me? My baby over there. Man, today gonna be a good ass day, man. We gonna see all types of cars, man. It's rainy, so I hope nobody trying to race for real. I don't know yet. Man. What's the deal, guys? We out here, and I'm back dirty. I'm back dirty. This what happens when you're so low to the ground. Like, this is ridiculous. This is so dirty. We got the Cam G8, Supra, some Volkswagens. So hopefully today's meet go good. You feel me? Just a little chill meet. I'm so mad it's rainy, dog. My car back dirty. That was a wasted $4 wash, but fuck it. You know, it happens. What's the deal, guys? We have arrived. You know what I'm saying? Of course I had to park by my twin. You know what I'm saying? Good V1. Good V1.
That's 6 overs. So bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Man, come on. Come on. There's so many different flavors here, man. Like, come on, just look at it, man. We got the Volkswagen lineup. We got a Saab. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dream car right here. This is a Z01 1LE, right? I think so. No. This is Z01. I just been walking around for a minute, man. I'm gonna try to get as many as the cool, like super cool cars, but this the one right here. Yes, sir. We can always appreciate a clean Fox body. Yes, sir. Save it up to the YouTube channel, man. Yes, sir. Clean. Next to the newer gen, of course. It's only right. It's always a good truck here. You feel me? I'm really more interested in the Camaros. Y'all know I'm a Chevy guy. But this, I wasn't too big on the 5th gens. I'll take a 5th gen Z28 if I could find one. This the first Z01 though. I like it. It's clean. She clean. Yeah, this clean, man. With the big wing. This clean, man. For real. Shout out to bro.
And bags.
Cool little RS. Whew. This one mean. This one mean. This might be my favorite. I don't even like white cars for real, but man. Oh my God. MSD intake. We got the newer one drop, V6. It's clean too though. And we got another one. Yes, sir. I say my favorite car so far. This over here is very, very interesting. It's clean, man. Bag. I gotta walk around. And capture the whole thing. The detail in the grill, though. There's metal flake all over. You know I had to go back to the GTR. We back at the GTR, man. Fiery. Big old wing. Fiery.
That way I ain't gotta worry about it. I can just take the bad piece off and replace it. Usually if they sell those pieces, that's so market.
I like these wheels. I don't know, it's something about those wheels. It fascinates me. Is this a Super Snake? Oh my God. The ops. The ops. Man. Oh, this nigga done. Say no to the YouTube channel, man.
What's up, y'all? How
You
y'all
feel
doing,
me?
man? Holy shit.
This bitch hard. But old girl car over there, that's back. Best paint job I've ever seen. Hands down. Hands down. Why do you think everybody's still over there? It's the most detailed paint job, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I promise you. So, my bad. So y'all see the badge? Y'all see the badge, right? Now look under the hood.
This shit.
I seen the orange block. I'm like, wait a minute. Oh. Oh. That's one way to prop up a hood. Oh.
Big ass shot.
Ooh. 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 Gotta get the angles. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Man. Everybody doing dumb shit. They back there spinning. Bro, they back there spinning, bro. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Hey, don't skip the Mustang on flicks.
I had to run. Whew. I'm a retired football player. Running not in my forte. Not no more. Not no more. The linebacker days are over with. Shit. Cool little Tesla. You feel me? AMG. Oh. Mopar owners, learn how to turn traction control all the way off. Oh my God, bro. We got the cool little Tesla though. You feel me? How y'all feel about electric cars, man? I appreciate a clean Mustang. But you know I ain't a Ford guy, bro. Come on. This is an SS with a Z01 front. Ain't no way. No, this confusing. Because you got the Window Elite Canards, but not the hood. SS wheels. I'm confused. Now, that's a Z01 front, but the SS rest. I like it, though.
Yeah, I do like it.
I like it, though.
That's a nice little put together body kit.
You feel me? I don't like the little red lip on the wheels, though.
I wonder if that's
That ain't my taste. That ain't my taste. Big wide body. Man. All the trucks gonna always park in together. That's how my shit supposed to be, but it's shitty. The wheels need touching up. I like that though. Bro, why can't Cam do this? He took the freaking, he took the plastic piece off the supercharger. This is stock supercharger. This ain't no ZZP supercharger. He be capping. Cam, I just exposed you. You be capping. This stock, bro. Man, bro, this stock, bro. You sound like a rattling trash can.
Yep.
This hard, but BMWs, the N54 motor is just so unreliable. What the fuck was that?
Detail garage is fucking pissed off.
They probably in that bitch like, stop revving.
He yelled at
Yeah.
that
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, he got pissed at that 292 that had traction control on it. It wasn't good. He told him to get the fuck out. Yeah, he was like, you sliding? Get the fuck out.
Shout out to Detail Garage.
Yeah.
But they being pussies right now. You feel me? Ugh. Okay, clean Subaru. Your engine gonna blow up in like 30,000 miles, but it's cool though. Stock 50. Ooh. Okay. Y'all know I'm a GM guy. Gotta have it. Gotta have it.
I know that kid too.
Alright, YouTube. The meat basically getting shut down basically. Detail Garage is not happy that the Mopar boys came and started sliding. They were not happy. Like this guy recording a loud two-step. Like I don't understand why people come to meets and you fuck it up for everybody else. It was a chill little meet, you feel me? But it's about to be 2 o'clock. Been here for 2 hours, so I tried to record as much as I could. Everybody just was talking to me where I've been. I ain't been to a meet in a minute. Woo, blah, blah, blah. So right now, I'ma just vlog. I'ma just vlog. I'ma keep it rolling. You know? Cause this for you guys. I'm gonna get a good quality video in for you guys. Y'all gave me over 3,000 views. So let's just keep it going. Just subscribe. That's all I ask, subscribe. I got 3,000 views. How hard is it to hit the subscribe button, man? Like be for real. How hard is it? It's right there. It's right there. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. And I'm gonna promise great content either every week or every other week. You know what I'm saying? And then later on, I'm gonna talk about the build too and what I plan on doing. So stay tuned. I'm finna go pick up my passenger. Finna link with Drew at Vince's house. Yeah, man. Probably finna get some food because I haven't ate. And it's 1:43, and I haven't ate since 10 last night at work because I worked from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. When I got off this morning, I did not go to sleep. All right, clinked this, showered, changed, and yeah. What's the deal, guys? Yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot. I did not vlog. I'm currently on the freeway right now, going to Woodward. If you're a car guy, you gotta know what Woodward is because the Dream Cruise, that's like the Super Bowl of cars, man. But we're gonna go get some grub, me, Vince, and True, and...
In 2 miles, take exit 229 to merge onto I-696 west toward Lansing.
His girlfriend and a couple of our friends, well, we're going to get something to eat because I'm fucking hungry. So I'm gonna put this phone down and stop doing 110 with one hand on the steering wheel. And I'm gonna hit you guys up when we get to Potbelly's. How was the ride, bro? Talk to me.
It's fucking fun, dude. Look at this thing. Hey. 4 bands, it's for sale. Come get it. Cleanest 91 Miata you'll ever see at Metro Detroit. 200,000 miles. 4 grand. That's for his YouTube. Tell him to come pick it up. Pick it up. 4 grand.
Yes, sir. 4 grand. Come pick it up, man. Come pick it up. 4 grand is for sale. I like the fitment though. No cap. come on, stop playing. You know how we do it. Vince. Yes, sir. Y'all see where we at?
Red Robins.
Red Robins. Say what up, fam.
Right.
After a good long day, you feel me? We're doing cars and bullshit. We about to get some good eats, man. Fan. Too ugly. What is that y'all eating, bro?
Ice cream.
Man, look. I'm full and tired.
Why can't you just flip the camera around?
You can't while you recording on the iPhone. I don't know, it's dumb. My camera on back. Y'all feel me? We got a special guest
What the fuck is nigga talking about?
in the building, you feel me? And I caught me a new camera, so this gonna be the last video that's shot on my iPhone 11. Thank God. It's been a long time coming.
Hey, we're about to go pick up a new lens. Shout out me.
We about to go pick up a new lens, you feel me? The brand he be fucking with, so I ain't just gonna be the outro. The next video gonna be
Banger.
with a banger, with a new camera, you feel me? So like, subscribe,
Just like Tall Guy Carter Bruce, Tall Guy says, on the top of the moose shit.
top of the moat, you feel me? Show him the camera real quick, bro.
Yeah, look at that, it's right there.
Yes, sir. I go pick up a lens
I'm
for
gonna
it.
pick up the same lens that I use. So if you see my shit, you know that shit hard. So.
Hey, I'm gonna put the link to his channel below. Remember, like, subscribe. Even if you dislike the video, dislike it. Go ahead. Share. Fuck with your boy. And I'll see you on the next one.